So obviously everyone knows that we sell jeans, but we also do a lot more with denim here at Son of a Stag. So we are in the workshop today in the heart of Shoreditch. We've got Martin repairing and darning some jeans here. So here are some of the main things that we do. So for most of our darning, we use the old Singer 47W70, which is this machine that Martin's using here. Proper workhorse, will last forever. So the process of darning is quite simple. You put fabric on the inside. It usually be like a cotton-based pad or something along there that fuses to the inside, and then you darn and stitch over the top. So the idea is that these are almost invisible repairs. For certain parts of the jean, if you do it in the crotch and you have a crotch blower, you're not going to see that these have been repaired. Once you soften them up and wear them and wash them a couple of times, they are going to turn up into a pretty much invisible repair. But they have a really nice texture anyway. They match the texture of a worn-in jean. The hard part of doing it is kind of finding a thread and a combination of thread that matches the wear pattern of the jeans. That comes with experience and a good eye, and Martin's been doing it a long time, so a lot of these repairs you genuinely can't even tell how big the hole initially was. So the most popular and by far the most commonly requested service that we provide here at the workshop is chain stitching, or hemming your jeans, or altering the length, or whatever you want to call it. They are all going to come quite long, so most of the jeans in the shop are going to be a 36 to 34 leg. Some of the ones with smaller waist are kind of graded, so they might be more of like a 30, 32, but a lot of them are going to be far too long for you, and that's done on purpose so we can get you the perfect length. We use an original Union Special 43-200G, which is an absolute workhorse, but it's also what would have been originally used in the 40s, 50s, 60s, maybe even earlier. We've got a load of them here in the workshop, and it's because they don't make them anymore, so if we need any parts or we need to stock up, we have the full stock of them. A chain stitch is just a way of hemming. So a normal trouser will have a single stitch or a trouser hem or whatever. A chain stitch is initially how jeans would have been done back in the day. Your jeans will be hemmed for free for life if you buy them from us at the shop or online. So if you want to get them hemmed, I wouldn't go too long. Just be a little bit safe with them, and you can come back and get them done again and again until they're absolutely perfect for you. So one of the more intensive jobs that we do here, and one of the services we offer, is tapering jeans. So if your jeans are a little bit too wide or a bit too straight, or you just want to slim down the end of them, that is something we can do here. So I've got a pair of jeans here that were tapered. So the idea is that you won't be able to see all of these repairs or alterations. We want them to look pretty much original. So these will all be taken from the inside. So we will never touch the selvage side. We don't like to do from the outside. We want to keep the selvage ID intact. So these ones here you wouldn't be able to tell have been done at all, but they have about a 2-inch approximately taper on them that you can see there, so they would have started a lot straighter than that. So obviously it doesn't just stop at tapering. We do loads of different jobs. So if you've got anything wrong with your jeans or you want anything changed on your jeans, do just shoot us an email, tell us what's wrong, send us some pictures if you can, and we can tell you what we can do. All of our machines are original, so they work best with 100% cotton jeans. So do make sure that your jeans are 100% cotton without stretch if you're sending them in.